Hello, good evening. Welcome to फुटियापा एंड आज तो चालू होगा महासंग्राम यूरोप में और देखेंगे कि कौन जीतेगा द यूरो 2021 ट्रॉफी. Today we are going to talk about the मौत का कुआं, the group of death as it is called in the football language. Yeah, with me is Shaunak as usual, and we'll be looking into the teams, talking about their strengths, weaknesses, the players to watch, and then we can go ahead and make our predictions. So I think let's go and just look into the teams first, Shaunak. So we can have, yeah, I'll share the screen.
But don't you think that it is the coup of moth and where every Bollywood villain is getting thrown in?
Yeah. So as everybody knows, Group F has France,
Yes.
the defending finalists, Portugal, the defending winners of Euro, France, of course, again World Cup winners, Germany, another exciting team, and Hungary, like the best team you can have. Yeah, so Hungary is the team जिसपे goal difference dependent होगा.
मैं एक बात कहूंगा कि हंगरी के ऊपर इन तीनों टीम्स का भवितव्य डिपेंड करता है एंड
absolutely
let's see what happens.
Yeah, so let's start talking about France. I'll take France, you take Portugal. We can talk about Germany and Hungary के बारे में तो एक साथ ही बोल सकते हैं.
Definitely.
So France, frankly, I'm supporting them. And I think they can win the Euros. They have an amazing team.
So they are favorite.
In goal, they have Hugo Lloris. I think he'll continue in the goal. Steve Mandanda has been the second number for a long time. Mike Magnan, I don't know where he's from, but they don't require him, frankly. Defenders. This is where I think France are awesome. Their defense is really good. I saw a few friendlies of them, and their defense was like top class. Like Kimpembe has amazing pace.
But Amay, don't you think like they are power packed with defenders, midfielders, forwards? Like they have
everything. Yeah. But out of all the teams, I think their defense is quite sorted. Frankly,
defense is sorted.
Yeah. So left wing Lucas Digne will be there. They also have right wing Benjamin Pavard. In central defense, center back positions, they have Rafael Varane, they have Lucas Hernandez, who can also play on the left back position. Presnel Kimpembe plays. Jules Koundé, again, I think he plays for Sevilla. He's a great defender. Longley, again, a defender for Barcelona. So Kurt Zouma, Chelsea के लिए खेलता है center back. So they have loads of options.
Right.
And if they want, they can also play a 3-4-3 because उनके पास तीन अच्छे center backs है, which most of the teams don't have. Like England will have to look where they get their third center back from. Mostly Kyle Walker खेल सकता है, but still, like they have to look into. इनके पास तीन center backs, चार center backs का options है. So that's amazing. Then we move into the midfield, which is again awesome, just awesome. Kingsley Coman on the right wing, N'Golo Kante, Paul Pogba तो sure shot starters है, दोनों खेलेंगे. वो उनकी जगह Rabiot can come in, Sissoko can come in. Tolisso had an amazing game जो मैंने friendly देखा, so he can play in that center defensive midfield. And then on the left wing they have Thomas Lemar, so that's an amazing option.
Done.
Again, I think the best attacking options are for France again. Karim Benzema will start. He had an injury niggle, but I think he will start. Anthony Griezmann, I've heard, has an injury niggle recently.
Really?
So I don't know whether he'll be able to start, and that may be a big miss for France. So let's see. And of course, I think Golden Boot जिसको मिलेगा is Kylian Mbappe will be starting.
You're so optimistic, bro, about Kylian Mbappe.
Yeah. And he is a different player, man. He's amazing.
Different animal.
And also they have like right wing, left wing pe Ben Yedder can play, amazing player again. Oliver Giroud again can always come up with goals. पिछले friendly maybe he scored 2 goals and he had an amazing game.
Right.
Marcus Thuram, another great player. So I think France settled है, कुछ problem ही नहीं है उनको. Like they have to just go and play their hearts out and they can win it.
Okay.
I think, yeah, let's move to Portugal then.
Yes, let's
Go
move
ahead,
to my team.
kick it.
Okay, so recently I watched their friendly against Israel, and
Oh,
Rui
well,
Silva was in the goal, but it was of no use because they defended very well. And but I'll choose Rui Patricio over Rui Silva and Antonio.
definitely. Experienced keeper, man.
Experienced man, definitely. And with
Yeah,
defenders, I'll go with Joe Cancelo as the right back.
absolutely.
And Ruben Diaz, everyone knows, like he has been player of the season in Premier League.
Everyone knows him now.
Everyone knows him
After a
now.
year.
Now onwards, they'll remember his name for sure. And Ruben Diaz, and I'll go with Pepe in the centre back positions. And
Yeah, not Fonte.
no, not Fonte. I know that Fonte has been, how do I say it? Like he has played a catalytic role in Lille's title win.
Hey, am I wrong? Or France में center back position के लिए Laporte भी है? Or is he
No,
not in
no,
the
no,
team?
no, 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 no. He's playing for Spain, bro. He's playing for Spain.
Oh yeah, sorry. My
Changed
fault.
his
My fault.
nationality recently. Yeah, yeah. And Ruben
Oh
Diaz.
yeah, but he was French, right?
या ही वाज फ्रेंच यार ये गजब लोग
Ah,
होते हैं यार ये नेशनलिटी बदल डालते हैं अपनी खेलने के लिए I mean,
chalo, sorry. Go ahead.
yeah, cool.
Rafael Guerrero.
Yeah, my left back would be either Rafael Guerrero or Nuno Mendes. Nuno Mendes is a youngster who is 18 years of age, and he has also played a great role in Sporting's title win in last 20 or 19 years right now. And but yeah, defense is sort. Cancelo, Ruben Dias, Pepe, and Guerrero. Chalo, ठीक है. And
And they have Nelson Semedo on the right wing for
Nelson
back
Semedo
position
on the
also.
on the bench as well, and Fonte also on the bench. Now I'll start
Yeah,
my
so they have like three center backs, right? Three center backs, two right
center.
backs, two
हाँ,
left backs. So that's quite
correct.
sorted team, yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
एकदम. And हाँ,
Best midfield.
yeah. Now I'll start with my midfield. My midfield three would be Bruno Fernandes for sure,
Definitely.
and another one would be Bernardo Silva. I'll choose Bernardo Silva.
Okay.
No, wait. Actually, I'll go with.
I will go with Renato Sanchez, man. He had an amazing Euro last time.
Yeah. नहीं एक्चुअली रेनाटो सांचेज भी खेल सकता है बट ओके चलो रेनाटो सांचेज ये कौन है अपना रूबेन नेवेस एंड
Bruno.
ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस ठीक है 4-3-3 एंड
I think they can go for 4-4-2 also. They have like 4-3-1 and 3 like attacking diamond भी खेल सकते हैं.
वो डायमंड
Because they have enough good players, yeah. Like
नहीं बट
center defense.
day before yesterday they deployed this formation of 4-3-3 and they were
4-3. Oh,
absolutely battered Israel in that sense but there were a lot of chances missed by the great Cristiano Ronaldo. We'll come to that later but let's sort out the midfield first. So
yeah.
midfield अपना sort हो गया ठीक है. I will go with
Or they have good options on the bench also. Yeah, William Carvalho has been playing for now. Goncalo Guedes has been a great player.
you know one thing, Amay, I'm looking forward for this guy, Pote. His name isn't mentioned properly. His name is Pedro Goncalves. And
Okay.
he replaced Bruno Fernandes at Sporting Lisbon. Bruno scored
Acha.
उसने कुछ तो goals मारे थे before leaving Sporting. And this guy scored 20 or 23 goals this season. And now
Wow.
they have won the title after 19 years or something.
That's why I'm so excited. Like today,
Exactly.
the Euros are starting. So many different good players we'll be able to see now. That is amazing. Like,
I mean,
it's gonna be fun.
I'm just thinking about August, bro, क्योंकि the market would be flooded with these superstars and these क्या बोलते हैं ऐसे young generation talents. ये Pedro Goncalves, Renato Sanchez तो हर transfer market में होता ही है. And I don't know now his age is 23 or 24. And okay,
Yeah.
let's move ahead.
Yeah, forwards.
Forwards, okay. मैं सबसे पहले left से शुरू करूँगा. I'll go with यार जो फिलिक्स को मैं डिप्लॉय करूँगा, ठीक है. And
he's not been in good form. I would prefer Jota playing there.
हाँ ठीक है, like Jota भी आ सकता है बाद में. And
yeah,
Felix, like he's a star-studded name, so I'll go with Felix. Otherwise Jota, कोई टेंशन नहीं. And you know another surprising fact कि इजराइल के साथ Jota played on the left, Ronaldo on the right, and center में और कोई तो था. Center में Jota था, left में someone else, and right में Ronaldo. Ronaldo played as a winger at the age of 36.
So they have like Jota and Joe Felix have amazing pace. That will be fun to watch.
Superb. Okay, so and center में तो obviously कोई सवाल ही
Cristiano.
नहीं. The great
0-0.
Cristiano Ronaldo and right में Jota can play or even Bernardo Silva.
Yeah. Interesting. Interesting. Let's move to Germany then.
Oh,
Keeper, they have like good keepers, man. I think these are the best keepers anybody can have. Manuel Neuer, Bernd Leno, Kevin Trapp,
Kevin Trapp.
exciting keepers.
Okay. Emre Can defender कब से बन गया यार?
I don't know. ये गलती हुई होगी उनसे. He plays central defensive midfielder. So वो तो I think the only problem I've seen in Germany's team is उनके पास एकदम fixed right back नहीं है कोई. So I think Joshua Kimmich can of course play there, but वो midfield में ज़्यादा खेलता है आजकल.
He dominates midfield more than the defense, I would say.
But this guy Robin Gosens is amazing. I saw his game. मैं देख रहा था इनका friendly. बहुत भारी खेला वो.
अच्छा.
He has amazing pace, amazing physicality.
Okay.
I think Nicolas Sule will start. Antonio Rudiger can start.
Right.
I think Germany can again go for a 3-4-3. Playing Rudiger, Sule, and Hummels center back में.
Okay.
Or Ginter also maybe. Robin Gosens is on the left, and right पे they can play Joshua Kimmich. So 3-4-3 खेल सकते हैं.
Okay.
बीच में midfield में क्या लगता है तुम्हें?
Midfield में I'll go with Leon Goretzka because they need
Okay.
that kind of physical presence before the defense.
And Toni Kroos?
अरे यार टोनी क्रूज ये क्या सवाल है? टोनी क्रूज तो होना ही चाहिए.
खत्म बात. फिर हो गए midfield.
Midfield.
And अगर if they go for a 4-3-3, I think Ilkay Gundogan can come in.
Ilkay Gundogan can come in, but just imagine if they decide to deploy.
But I think ये midfield में ही खेलेगा. Joshua Kimmich will play the midfield.
Kimmich will play in midfield. I want him to play in midfield. Yeah, he's superb. What lovely player, man. I think
we heard from our Bayern fan that this guy Jamal Musiala is amazing, right?
Jamal Musiala, lovely player. He'll be
again a player to watch.
But उसका already contract sign हो चुका है Bayern के साथ, so उसको कोई नहीं लेने वाला. And Bayern ने
नहीं वो उसकी वजह से नहीं. But I just want him to like see the footballing skills from all these guys.
Yeah.
That will be amazing.
Superb. Okay, and अभी left right sort कर लेते हैं. Gnabry and Sané.
Yeah, I think they are Muller भी है फिर. Muller will start striker. ऐसा लगता है तुझे? Like false 9 खेलेगा?
Muller can play false 9. हाँ खेल सकता है. And striker Kai Havertz भी खेल सकता है या फिर Timo Werner भी है.
Yeah, right wing पे Kai Havertz भी खेल सकता है. So I think the attacking wise they can mix and match. So that it will be very interesting to see कि Germany what squad they put, what formations they'll play, because unke paas these guys also have amazing talent, man, out there. If they perform to their potential, I think Germany have a good chance to defeat all the teams.
But you can also see the bench as well. Jonas Hoffmann या फिर Florian Neuhaus, like they're lovely players. मैंने देखे Borussia Mönchengladbach के games and they are superb at going front. ये लोग literally team hold करके खेलते हैं.
So that's what I'm saying. Like even in their defensive lineup, I can see a lot of attacking options there. So those who can run on the wings, who have good pace, who have good physicality, midfield unka sorted, and like someone like Serge Gnabry, Jamal Musiala, Leroy Sané, Kai Havertz, these guys can create a magic in a moment, and that can just take away the game. And of course, Thomas Muller has been that veteran for them a long time. He keeps on assisting, he keeps on scoring goals. So I think that's amazing. So I think we have done with like the best 3 teams. And then ये बेचारे Hungary.
नहीं बेचारे नहीं, ये सबके बाप है. इनके ऊपर सब डिपेंडेंट है.
इनके ऊपर यूरो का विनर भी डिपेंड करेगा. Because I think what I think is इनका जो रनर अप है, I think they'll be playing the winners of England Croatia वाला group.
Really?
Yeah. So imagine the round of 16 में suppose Portugal go and England wins their group. England versus Portugal होगा. अगर France होगा तो England versus France होगा. England versus Germany होगा. That will be like great. So Hungary पे dependent करेगा. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hungary के हमें कौन पता है?
हमें गुलाक्सी पता है, who's been the keeper for I think Leipzig का है.
Yes, correct. And रोलान सला एडम सला, ये क्या नाम है यार इनका?
सजाला ही पता है मुझे एक, ये अगेन प्लेस जर्मन फुटबॉल में ही किधर तो
ओके,
बाकी तो बैक एडम सजाला है, सॉरी नॉट अटीला, द एडम सजाला है वन, ही
अच्छा,
प्लेस फॉर इट,
बेसिकली
नेमांजा
हमें कोई पता
निकोलिच
नहीं है।
बहुत पता नहीं है, सो आई डोंट थिंक के कुछ होने वाला है इनके अगेंस्ट, बट इनके अगेंस्ट लाइक दीस टीम्स विल बी इन अमेजिंग अटैकिंग फॉर्म, तो देखने में बहुत मजा आएगा ये, दीस गेम्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी मिस्ड लाइक,
Yeah, man,
आई
definitely.
थिंक वी शुड गो फॉर आवर प्रेडिक्टर,
Predictor.
ओके,
Okay,
so I am taking the I am saying France will top this group.
okay, I'll say that as well. And second would be Portugal. What do you think?
Portugal, yeah, I agree.
थर्ड,
And
पर
third
भाई
will
थर्ड तो
be,
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। हंगरी या जर्मनी, बता दे जल्दी से।
देख मैं रिस्क ले रहा हूँ पर मुझे लगता है जर्मनी होगा, देख मतलब आई डोंट नो पर रिस्क है, पर लेते हैं।
रिस्क है तो इसके, ये तो कहते ही है, चलो ले
Yeah.
लेते हैं, जर्मनी ले लेते हैं।
तो ये हो गया और ये फिर हंगरी, सो वी हैव आवर group sorted. I'll just go through it, Shaunak, and the bets we have put on. Okay, so group A we have Italy, Turkey, Switzerland, Wales. इसमें मैं बोल रहा हूँ Wales थर्ड आएगा, तू स्विट्जरलैंड फोर्थ आएगा, तुम बोल रहे हो स्विट्जरलैंड थर्ड आएगा, Wales फोर्थ आएगा, and we have predicted 3 draws in this group. Second group we have predicted Belgium, Denmark, Russia, Finland. ये हम लोगों ने like there is no change in that.
Right.
We have called that Finland कोई भी मैच नहीं, कोई भी मैच कोई भी पॉइंट नहीं लेगा.
हाँ.
Okay. Group C में we have said Netherlands, Australia, Ukraine and North Macedonia. And we have come के North Macedonia एक ड्रॉ करेगा इसमें.
Yeah. एक ड्रॉ तो
yeah. England, Scotland, Croatia, Czech Republic. This is a where I have called Croatia second होगा, तुमने बोला है Scotland second होगा, and we will be interchanging the positions. Czech Republic, and इसका prediction हमारा ये है कि Czech Republic will defeat one of either Croatia, England or Scotland. एक मैच जीतेगा, एक मैच डेफिनेटली. ग्रुप ई में हमने कहा है कि स्पेन, पोलैंड, स्वीडन, स्लोवाकिया, ये ग्रुप्स में हमारा कोई चेंज नहीं है. इसमें हमने बोला है कि स्पेन विल बी विनिंग ऑल द मैचेस. ऑफ कोर्स लेट्स एग्री. एंड ग्रुप एफ, फ्रांस, पोर्चुगल, जर्मनी, हंगरी, वी आर एग्रीइंग ऑन टू इट. एंड इसमें क्या प्रेडिक्शन करना है? इसमें आप क्या कर क्या सकते हैं अब इसमें, लाइक चलो लेट्स प्रेडिक्ट कि हंगरी के लिए, नहीं इंटरेस्टिंग, हंगरी के अगेंस्ट कितने गोल स्कोर होंगे ये सब टीम्स मिला. ओह माय गॉड, यू आर लिटरली अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग हंगरी ब्रो. ओके, मेरा कॉल है 8 गोल्स विल बी स्कोर्ड अगेंस्ट देम. अच्छा, okay, but I'll do one more prediction about Hungary. They will draw a match against one of these 3 teams. What do you say? Okay, I'll take your prediction also. और मेरा prediction है कि 8 गोल मारेंगे ये तीनों टीम मिला के against Hungary, and you are saying Hungary will get a point out of this group. Yeah, just a point out of one of these 3 teams. कोई भी हो सकता